What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We got another Onyx RCR. We like their product so much that obviously if you follow my channel, I went ahead and sold our Onyx RCR, the blue version, because it was a standard version. It was a tall standard version. It was a little bit too tall for me and Crystal. A couple months after, we saw this Onyx RCR for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and it happens to be from a reliable seller. He's also an e-bike enthusiast, and he has an Instagram channel, or if not a YouTube channel as well. E_nightrider is his Instagram. He was selling it. It was a really good deal. At first I thought it was the standard version, but fortunately I went to go and see it. I visited him in Glendale, and it's a short version. It's a shorty version, thankfully. New in the collection. Let's get it. Forecast says there's about 50% chance that it's going to rain soon. I was contemplating about it with my wife. We didn't want another bike, but it's official. We've actually sold our Super73 S2 now. Also our arielrider Rumble Air motor. So officially, we only have full suspension bikes now. Officially. The sun is kind of peeking. It's really nice when you see that cloudy forecast. As long as it doesn't rain on me. I am only about 3 miles from home, though. I can definitely zip home if I need to. I haven't done anything. I just got it an hour ago. I only popped in my mirror so I can do some street riding. But that's what it is. He did some white walls. Like it's Mida's brand. I don't know much about that brand yet. But so far it feels nice. I do prefer the Shinko, a little bit fatter tires. But yeah, it's pretty stock for the most part. He said it was a 1.5 version, and he had to do his own signal lights attached. It already has a rack included in it. That's cool. And most importantly, why we bought this bike is because it has the 41 amp battery. Now we could go back on a longer range if ever we need to. Currently we don't, but you know, when the summer hits around, I can do longer errands. I don't have to find myself having to charge it every time I use it, just nearby the local neighborhoods. And I'm out here riding basically to just do more battery testing, just making sure everything's okay. Hopefully I don't have any issues. I'm confident with Carlos. Again, he's a big part of the e-community as well. Still trying to research how Steven was able to get like a customized glass panel on the side of the bike, which is really cool, so you could see what's going on in the inside, the wires and all that stuff. I like transparent casing. I'm not sure if it's glass actually. Maybe it's acrylic, nylon, or some kind of see-through material. Could be plastic. Nice. Sun is peaking. When I left the house, it's very gray and gloomy. I mean, it's functioning just as an Onyx would. I'm not surprised about that. Seems like there's no issues whatsoever. That's the thing though, like, as soon as you get a new toy, you have to spend time with it, right? Trust and verify that everything is A-okay. Comment below what's the furthest you've taken an Onyx with a 41 amp battery, mileage-wise, because yeah, I'm really excited for longer rides, longer range rides when summer hits. I'm thinking it's going to be about 40 to 60 miles, I guess, depending on how hard you push the throttle, right? Obviously that comes into play all the time. Oh, we're on sand. we're just exploring here. Again, just checking out what's happening in Santa Fe Dam. It looks like the Renaissance Fair is right here. They're setting it up again. Let's get a shot here. You know, I never drove in places needing a lot of range. That's why I sold my blue one. Now that I have a 41 amp, it's like at least I don't have range anxiety, right? And it's paired with a shorty version, and that's what I'm really comfortable with. At least for me and Crystal, we're not tall people. All right, we're gonna head back. Not necessarily home, but we're gonna head towards, I don't know, there's so much, I actually don't know where to go. We're just kind of, again, using up the battery as much as we can. With more miles in the tank, the more places we can explore. That's why we got this bike. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're in Azusa now. Pretty close to the mountains. Here's another e-biker here. That's a stealthbomber. What's good, stealthbomber? We've been at it for about 35 minutes. Still has 8 out of 10 bars. Been raining the whole week. This is my only day off. Today being Monday. I was gonna go mountain bike today, but it rained just yesterday, and I'm pretty sure the conditions are not going to be good for off-roading. I'm 90% sure. If there's one thing that I can comment about Onyx is their turning ratio. I wish it just had more turning ratio, and maybe that the battery would be lower to the ground. I think those are the few things I'm nitpicking on. All right, no one's around. Quick speed test. Miles per hour. Holy smokes. We were going pretty fast there. It was about 55 miles per hour, and then there was a quick downhill. Now I'm shivering. It's freezing. It's really fun to go fast here and there, but to go fast all the time, it's not my style. I think I would rather be in a car. I can go 80 easily on a car and be comfortable with it, but on a bike, not really me. And I'm still at 8 out of 10 bars. Gotta love the life of not having to worry about your range. The thing with a 23 amp battery is every time I use it for like 8 miles, I'm already down to like 60%. And yeah, I am going fast on the street, but realistically in sport mode, the stock 23 amp battery that we have only goes for 20 to 25 miles. And the same goes for the Onyx City stock battery. I'm trying to think of the things I could do with this bike now. Like, I really want to go to my gym with it, but I'm just not certain where I can park the bike safely. The main issue is trying to park this bike somewhere safely, because no chain in the world is gonna keep thieves from cutting those bolts and taking your bike. Like, these motors are ninja silent, the Onyx motors, in comparison to the arielrider and even the Super73 RX stock motor. Look at how much water that is. Yo, that's a lot. That's a stream right there. Finally, I'm at 7 out of 10 bars. I'm convinced that this bike works 100% as it should. It only has about just a little over 1,000 miles. But anyhow, thank you for tuning in, guys. like and subscribe for more content. Shout out to Carlos Martinez for hooking me up with a good deal on this Onyx RCR bike. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 aerial rider or your mid-drive bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.